Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can target your US audience on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So first thing you can do is go back to the Play Store, and when you're inside the Play Store or App Store, you can just click on the search bar and type TikTok, and TikTok will be open right in front of you. After that, you just have to uninstall it by pressing the uninstall button that is on the left hand side, so that you can create a new account especially to target the US audience. After you have done that, you have to re-download the TikTok app and set up an account. And when you have done that, you need to go to the settings of your device, and when you scroll down a little bit, there will be an additional setting option. Just go to the additional settings, and there is a language and input option. You just need to go to the language and input, and again click on the language, and you just need to select the English language of United States, because TikTok know what language your device is currently using. After you have done that, you just need to go back and go to the regions option, and when you are inside the region option, you just need to select United States of America, because you need to set up your phone as the region from United States, because TikTok will know the region as well. And when you have done that, you can just go back to the TikTok and open your TikTok application that is available in both Play Store as well as App Store. And when you open the TikTok, then you should start creating or posting new videos or the target videos that you want to target to the US audience. And when you post, there will be an option to add the hashtags. You can just use the hashtags that is popular currently in the United States of America. So this is how you can easily target US audience on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.